You are welcome back to my channel. So today we have some math questions to look into. Just simple math tests, simple math questions and their solutions. Okay. So first of all, hello Shenzi. So today we have a lot of questions and answers. Okay. All right. So first of all, let us solve some questions. Hello? Hello. All right. So, um, like I said, I have some questions. This to be a horizontal live stream. It seems it's still showing vertical. Yeah, I wanted it to be horizontal, not vertical. Anyways, so I don't know. Maybe I should try this. Excuse me, I just want to check something. Okay. Okay. Sorry, just trying one or two things. I'll just try one or two things. Okay. Now, it seems this is vertical. I really wanted, it's a bit unclear. Is it clear now? Is it clear now, Chelsea? Please let me know. Is it clear now? Let me know. Okay. So, I'm trying to test something, but we are still going to do something anyways. So this is night already, and you know that once it's night, this affects it really affects my board, the reflection on the board. So we are going to I have a question and answer, a textbook here. So I'm going to pick some questions from there. Now the first question is saying, so these are math tests, questions and answer. Now this one says express the first question. It says that we should express 0.0462 in standard form. We should express 0.0562 in standard form. Now, for a number to be in standard form, remember that it must be in this form. A times 10 to the power of n, whereby your a should be less than or equal to a, which should be less than 10. Okay? Which simply means that our a could be 1, 2, up to 9. This is what the range of our a. Now, our n has to be either a positive or negative integer. So relating that, all right there. So relating that to what we have here on the board, we have 0.0462. So to express this in standard form is actually easy. So our a, just put your decimal point between the first two non-zero digits. So we are going to do that, 4.62. That way we have gotten our a, all right? Now times 10 to the power of, remember that your n has to be positive or negative integer. Now, if you look at this, we shifted this decimal point from here to this place. Okay, so that means our n is 2. Now, it's going to be negative 2. It's going to be negative 2 because we shifted it to the right. So we are going to have 4.62 times 10 to the power of minus 2. All right? Okay. So that is the answer, and that is option D. In this place, that is option D. So that is the first question. Now, the second question says, number 2 says, the population of a village is 5,846. We are asked to express this number. Express this number to 3 significant figures. Express this number to 3 significant figures. Now remember that a significant figure here, we have 5,846, meaning that we have 4 significant figures here. So if we write it, 5846. This is 3 significant figures, meaning that we're supposed to have from here to here. This is the 3rd significant figure. But we cannot throw this 6 away. We check. If the 6 is up to 5, sorry, we round up to 1. If it is less than 5, we round down to 0. So 6 is up to 1. So is up to 5, sorry. So we're going to call this 1 and we add it to 4. So now we have 585. Then we replace this with 0. So this will be the answer in 3 significant figures. Yes, that will be the answer in 3 significant figures. All right. Now we have the 3rd question. This question says we should simplify 1/4 raised to the power of minus 1 whole number 1/2. 1/4 raised to the power of minus 1 whole number 1/2. Now remember, okay, let's just write the options. Option A is 1/8. Option B is 1/4. Option C is 2. Option D is 4. And option E is 8. So, to solve this, Chenzi, you're welcome. So to solve this, we just have to solve, okay, Jugu says the answer is 8. Now, when you look at this question, first of all, remember that a to the power of negative n is the same thing as 1/a to the power of n. So that simply means that if we want to change if we want to remove the negative sign on the power or index of any number, we need to take the inverse of the base, right, to remove the negative power. So first of all, we need to find the inverse of 1/4. All right? Yeah. Now, inverse of 1/4, that is, this is 1/4. This comes up and this comes down. So inverse of 1/4 is 4/1, which is the same thing as 4. So we'll write this 4 and we remove this negative sign to become 1 whole number 1/2. Okay? So we have 4 to the power of 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So this same thing as 4 to the power of 3/2. Yes, now we are going to check our laws of exponents. Remember this particular law. that states that a to the power of m over n is equal to the nth root of a, the nth root of a raised to the power of m. So if we should relate that, to what we have, okay? So someone is asking a question. Ma'am, 0 over 2 is equal to what? Any number you're dividing by 0 is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. All right, so look at what we have here. Now, this is going to be the square root of 4 raised to the power of 3. All right? So, square root of 4 is 2 raised to the power of 3. And this will give us 8. And that is option E. All right? So you can see how easy that is. Very easy, right? Okay. Yeah. So you said 0 divided by 2, not 2 divided by 0. 2 divided by 0 is undefined. Okay, 2 divided by 0, any number divided by 0 is undefined. But if you divide 0 by any number, it is 0. But 2 divided by 0 is undefined. You cannot divide a number by 0. Please, let's not deviate, okay? All right, someone said the answer is 1 over 8. No, the answer is 8, not 1 over 8, please. Okay. Oh, this math is so sweet. Permit me to take screenshots so that I can post it on my page. Yeah, give me small time. Take the shot. Pew. All right, done. Thank you, guys. Now, we work on another question. Let's work on another question. Now, this question is saying, for what value, this is number 4, for what value of y is the expression, for what value of y is the expression y plus 2 divided by y squared minus 3y minus 10 undefined? Undefined. Okay, that is the question. That is the question. Now, if you look at this, let's write the options. Option A is y equals 0. Option B is y equals 2. Option C is y equals 3. Option D is so sorry. My solar just tripped off and I think I don't have any other option than to stop this live. I'm so sorry. Okay, see you guys next.